Hello everyone, today I'm taking you inside an exciting industrial visit by Oxford Business College's management students to Sudha Dairy in Patna. Sudha Dairy is a leading manufacturer of dairy products in the region, and this visit is all about diving deep into the practical aspects of the industry. So what did the students get up to? Well, first off, we had a warm welcome from the team at Sudha Dairy. They took us through every step of their comprehensive process, right from the procurement of raw materials to screening, preparation, packaging, storage, maintenance, and quality control. It was fascinating to see how meticulous the quality control process is. The students learned about the importance of maintaining a good quality culture, especially when preparing various dairy products and maintaining the cold chain for proper storage. Our tour included visits to different units like the ice cream unit, ghee, butter, milk, curd, and many others. Each of these units had something unique to offer, and it was an eye-opener for everyone involved. A special shout-out to our director, Sudha Kumar, who envisions a bright future for all of us and strongly advocates for a pragmatic approach to learning. He believes that experiences like this are crucial for growing our knowledge and skills. We were also joined by our dedicated assistant professors, Mr. Umashankar and Miss Esha Sharma, who guided us throughout the visit. The students actively participated, asked insightful questions, and engaged in detailed discussions with the resource persons at Sudha Dairy. Overall, this visit was a huge success. It not only improved our technical and scientific knowledge, but also gave us a real-world perspective on how things work in the dairy industry. We are incredibly grateful to Sudha Dairy Patna for hosting us and providing such a valuable learning experience. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful content.